What's going on, everyone? Thank you so much for checking out this video. So today we're going to go over 3 tips plus a bonus tip on how to make more money as a photographer in 2020. Of course, before we get this video started, if I can get you guys to like this video and subscribe, that would be great. And now let's get into this video. So the first tip I have for you guys is to sell your photos. Whether you sell photos at home like myself, on your website, or anything like that, that's a way to make money. Other options include putting your photos up on stock websites. So Shutterstock, iStock, Adobe Stock are really great websites that you can get your photos up there where people can buy it as a stock image and you make money. Stock photography is a very saturated market, so I would highly suggest getting very creative with your images and going from there. The last option to sell your photos is to go on sites like Redbubble, Society6, Etsy, and other sites like that where you can set up a shop and sell your photos. Again, if you're trying to sell your photos online, just be prepared to work very hard, as it is a very saturated market online. But if you work hard, you'll definitely see some results. So my second tip for you guys is to promote your work on social media. So whether you're getting into family photos, senior portraits, weddings, anything like that, and you feel confident enough, I would definitely promote anything you can on social media. This will reach new eyes, new customers, and get you potential work. Even looking into Facebook ads or Instagram ads is not a bad idea to get some more customers. And of course, if your clients like your work, they will refer you to other people and that'll get you more work and more money. So the third tip, if you're really confident and have a really good grasp on photography, is to teach it. I've only done this a handful of times where I'll go teach a little class about photography and you can get some nice money from it. Usually you can start your classes by yourself, but sometimes stores or local businesses will help you with this. This just doesn't apply to photographers. Editors can do this and videographers can do this. If you have something to teach, people are going to come to you and learn what you know. So this option is a very good option if you love teaching people and if you don't mind talking in front of a lot of people. And obviously just price your class as what you see fits. And now my bonus tip to make money as a photographer. Now, although you're technically not a photographer on this tip, I think it's still a great way to learn. So this tip is to become an assistant to other photographers. Being an assistant to either a photographer or a studio is an incredible way to learn, and I highly recommend it. After I graduated from college, I instantly went into the assisting route and I never looked back. Assisting with studios and independent photographers is such a great way to learn new photography skills, lighting skills, anything that you can imagine. And of course, if they like you and if you know what you're doing, the pay can be very nice and those people will probably refer you to other studios and photographers. So being an assistant can have a lot of potential in making money and learning new skills. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed these tips. I hope you guys learned something. And if you did, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions. I have a ton of new videos coming. I'm putting out one tomorrow and Monday. So be sure you guys are subscribed for that. I'm so excited, and thank you guys so much for the support. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in my next video.